how to change group owner in Roblox. So this is very easy. Just load up the Roblox website, click on the hamburger menu icon here in the top left, and we'll need to go into groups. Here we will find our group from the left hand side. You can also search for groups here if you can't find it, and just click on your group. Now once we have the group loaded, we will select the three dots here, and then we'll select configure group. If we scroll down from the information screen here, you should be able to see a section for the owner, and this is my name here. We have to click on the pencil and paper icon. It's going to look like this. Select the new owner. If we type out their name, they're going to appear here. So for example, it's going to be one of my other accounts, and they have to be in the group, obviously, the person. So just select it, and then you click on OK. And this is going to assign a new owner to your Roblox group. Obviously, I'm not going to do it because this is my group. But yeah, that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.